Little storyteller.
Lily loved to draw with her bright crayons. One sunny morning, she drew 3 friends on a big white paper. First she drew Zoom, a speedy red race car with big, round wheels and a happy smile on his front. Next, Lily drew Sky, a blue airplane with wide white wings and a little propeller that looked like a friendly nose. Sky loved to wave his wings. Then came Splash, a green speedboat with a pointy front and a bubbly wake drawn behind him. Splash always looked excited to go fast on the water. Lily decided to have a doodle derby for her crayon friends. She drew a wiggly blue river for Splash, some bumpy brown hills for Zoom, and a cloudy blue sky with fluffy white clouds for Sky. She even drew a bright yellow finish line at the end of the paper. "Ready, set, go," Lily said. Zoom zoomed over the little hills, his red color bright against the brown. Splash zipped down the blue river, leaving a trail of happy blue bubbles. Sky flew up into the cloudy sky, his blue body blending with the light blue. Uh-oh! Lily had drawn a tall green tree right in Zoom's path. Zoom couldn't go over it. He stopped and looked a little sad. Sky saw Zoom was stuck. He flew down and gently nudged a small round pebble that Lily had drawn near the tree. The pebble rolled and made a little ramp. "Thank you, Sky," Zoom called and carefully drove up the pebble ramp and over the tree roots. Now Splash was going very fast down the river, but Lily had drawn a big swirly wave in his way. Splash was too small to go over it. Zoom, who was now past the tree, saw Splash's problem. He zoomed over to the riverbank and nudged a long thin stick that Lily had left near the water. The stick fell into the river, making a little bridge over the swirly wave. "Hooray!" shouted Splash, and he zoomed over the stick bridge. Sky flew ahead and saw the finish line. Zoom and Splash were trying their best to catch up. Sky knew he could fly over the finish line first, but he circled back to his friends. Together Zoom, Splash, and Sky reached the bright yellow finish line at the same time. They were all winners because they helped each other. Lily clapped her hands and smiled. She learned that helping friends is more fun than winning alone. Did you know that airplanes fly in the sky, cars drive on land, and boats float on water? Each one is special in its own way.
Please subscribe. Thank you.